welcome to another episode of PLANTZILLA, wherein we impart whatever we know so we can help you learn a thing or two. For today's video, we will show you a different technique that you might love so you can propagate your plants in an easier way. This is perfect for those of you who are aiming to grow them all together at once through letting the roots develop while they are still attached to the parent plant. Yes, it is another form of layering, and if you find this interesting, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button beside it so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are ready, let's begin! Alam nyo guys, we have prepared what we will be needing para sa mound layering na gagawin natin today. So I'll just explain to you what is layering. For those who are asking, layering po is the development of roots on a stem while the stem is still attached to the parent plant. For today's video, we have two shoots of our Philodendron tricolor still attached to the mother plant. However, they will still form their roots when they come in contact with a rooting medium. We do want to propagate them, but gusto naming sabay silang dalawa kasi both shoots are healthy and malalaki. So, syempre gusto namin silang makuha ng sabay. And if we'll just wait for the natural roots to come out before we decide to propagate it, may chances na lumit yung isa sa kanila. They will be competing for nutrients and we don't want that. So why not find a way to grow and propagate them together at once? There are really types of plants na kailangan pang i-assist yung process ng layering, pero there are plants that can propagate naturally by layering. So like philodendrons guys, you don't have to wound the stem kung saan lalabas yung roots kasi natural talaga na merong roots na lumalabas din sa mga nodes nila. And if you want to try doing this, you must be sure that your rooting medium can provide aeration. So, hindi talaga dapat compact. And of course, dapat meron siyang constant supply ng moisture. Usually, layering really works because nalilesen talaga yung water stress dun sa plant and yung carbohydrate and mineral nutrient levels are high. And iba-iba po yung types ng layering. So, merong mga simple layering up to the complicated ones. So, nagawa na nga namin yung air layering on our past video and that really worked for our plant. So, this time, what we need is the mound layering. Don't worry guys, I'll be explaining to you ano yung mound layering bago natin siya gawin. As you can see guys, gumagamit po kami ng water bottle, yung empty, and hinihiwa namin itong pinaka-top niya. So, depende po yan sa size ng shoot na ilalagay nyo dito. Kasi kami, I think mga 4 liters or 5 liters lang yung kasya dito. But the size suits well. By the way, if you are hearing something in the background, syempre umuulan na naman po. Yung ganitong klase ng layering guys is called mound layering or meron ding tumatawag na stool layering and useful siya sa mga heavy stemmed, yung mga hindi nabebend na mga stem ng plants guys. So ito kasi gagamitin namin siya, medyo pahaba talaga yung pagtubo ng tricolor na to. So we cannot just bend this kasi ito talaga yung direksyon ng pagtubo niya. Pero pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang technique lalo na kapag nabibend yung branch or yung stem ng plant nyo. It's just that we do not want to do that to our philodendron guys. So dito muna kami and I think this will be perfect for this philodendron tricolor. So sino ba namang ayaw na tumubo sila ng sabay? That is based on experience guys. Naranasan na talaga namin na kapag hindi namin kinuha yung isa, so maaapektuhan yung tubo ng isa. Mag-aagawan kasi sila ng nutrients. And for this tricolor and for all the other mother plants here na tricolor guys, halos sabay-sabay na lumabas yung mga shoots nila. So kailangan talaga namin gawan ng paraan. So ito yung gagawin namin sa plastic na bottle. Hahatiin lang namin siya sa gitna. Of course, we will customize this according to the direction of the leaves guys kasi iba-iba naman yung pagkakahiwa-hiwalay ng mga dahon. So effective talaga to and roots will develop at the bases talaga of the young shoots. So that's really exciting for this one. So ayan, nahati na siya. And now it's time to try fitting it in. This is quite challenging kasi sobrang dami pa ng dahon before we reach the shoots, guys. And we cannot just remove all of them. So talagang if-fit namin siya base dun sa mga tangkay ng dahon na yan na medyo mahahaba na kasi dumaan din yung time na naging leg ito, especially nung nakalagay ito sa likod. So, as you can see, panay gupit niya kasi dapat talaga naming i-fit yung mga dahon, guys. I really do believe na yung mga green leaves could really help a lot, especially in making food for our tricolor. Kaya hindi namin siya aalisin. Kaya ito yung ginagawa niya, so laban lang. Malapit na sana naming matapos to, but biglang umulan. So, we really had to pause and continue on the next day.
One eternity later.
So guys, it really rained hard, so hindi na namin siya natapos during the first day of filming this video. But the next day, bigla namang bumagyo. So now is the perfect time to finish this. So one eternity later na nga. He was adding some more potting media, guys, para matabunan lahat ng roots. Siyempre, biglang umulan, tapos merong mga soil na naalis dito. Anyway, for this one, we were using our old potting media. So, hindi na namin siya nirepot for the mother plant. Kasi hindi naman kami nakakakita ng problema, lalo na kapag tuloy-tuloy yung tubo niya, okay naman. So, hindi na namin dinidisturbo, guys. Doon na lang sa mga bago, doon kami bumabawi ng bagong potting media. After adding some more soil, guys, since na-fit na namin siya last time, it would be easier for us to wrap it around. All we have to do is to find ways to put the edges together. And then, this is how it looks like. And as you can see, there are cuts kasi nga kinostomize natin siya based dun sa mga pagkakahiwa-hiwalay ng mga dahon niya. Or is it tangkay? I keep on calling it tangkay, but I'm really not sure how do you call it in Tagalog. And anyway, guys, there is also a reason why we chose transparent plastic bottles kasi nga nakikita natin yung progress ng roots sa ilalim. Since hindi naman sobrang compact yung ilalagay natin to provide good irrigation and constant supply of moisture. To put the edges together, gagamit lang po tayo ng stapler. As you can see, guys, meron talaga siyang butas due to the cut that we did earlier. However, we'll find ways to cover it later. And of course, dito sa baba, we have to make sure as well na hindi lalabas yung potting media. Kaya makikita nyo naman na siniseal din yung baba gamit yung soil na meron siya. Yung ilalagay natin dito sa pinaka-base is yung mga coconut husk na pinaghiwa-hiwa niya kanina. So para siyang mga cocoa cubes pero maninipis na version. I-arrange lang natin siya dito sa bottom. Unlike those other philodendrons that we have tried propagating through layering, maninipis yung roots nila, guys. Pero itong philodendron tricolor, medyo malalaki-laki na and matataba ng konti kesa sa kanila. Yung example ko kasi ng mga maliliit na roots na nagawa na namin ng version nito is yung White Knight. Yung ginawa namin doon is air layering, so nakahang talaga siya. While this one is more of like an extension of the pot going up. And wala pa talagang masyadong roots ang young shoots namin. Medyo natagalan nga ng konti. We've been waiting for this pero medyo tumagal yung pagdami ng roots niya. Kaya naisipan namin gawin to instead of reaching to that point wherein magiging imbalance yung tubo nila kasi nga merong isa na mas makakakuha ng madaming nutrients compared doon sa isa. Nag-aagawan po talaga kasi yung mga shoots na tumutubo sa iisang mother plant. For now, guys, dinadahan-dahan niya yung paglalagay ng mga coconut husk na maninipis na nilalagay niya sa ilalim. Kasi meron pa din pong mga shoots na maliliit sa ilalim. Siyempre, hindi natin sila gagawing compact para makahinga pa din yung mga baby shoots na of course, inaasahan din natin tumubo in the future. Considering how the roots of the philodendron tricolor look like and their ability to grow talaga, etong size ng mga coconut husk na gamit namin are perfect for them. Dito kasi kumakapit yung mga roots, guys, once lumabas na sila. Pero, mas malaki to ng konti knowing na malaking plant naman to. Yung mga maliliit na plant, we are using yung mga tiny chips na talaga na halos pinagpipino-pino na namin. knowing na maaaring masugatan or magasgasan yung body ng shoots guys kasi nga medyo magaspang yung edge ng pinutol namin na bottle. Lalagyan siya ng cotton. And for those who might be asking kung gaano namin katagal hihintayin, well, we cannot give the exact time frame po kasi depende po yan sa pag-react ng plant. Yung iba, mabilis po magkaroon ng madaming roots but there are really others. Syempre, isang factor din yung weather. So, hindi po talaga pare-pareho. Ayan, hihintayin lang namin kung kailan talaga we can patiently wait. So, ito muna yung pinaka-itsura niya ngayon before we will be adding the potting media na ilalagay natin sa loob talaga ng plastic. Yung gagamitin namin na potting media dito is the M4, which is also the same as what we used for this mother plant. So, ito yung ilalagay namin, kaya kailangan talaga namin i-cover yung mga cuts na meron tong bottle. Since we have plenty of those maninipis na coconut husk na pinaghiwa-hiwa niya kanina, this will be used as pantapal dito sa cut na meron yung bottle. As what I have said, pwedeng kumapit yung mga roots dito sa ginamit nating pantapal guys. So if ever that will happen, we'll cross the bridge when we get there. So simpleng-simple lang guys, ito lang yung gagamitin nating pang cover so we can add more potting media dito sa bottle. Dito sa gilid guys, yung coconut fiber naman na buo, I really do not know how do you call it. Pero yung hindi pa shredded, yung ginamit para makover yung mga butas kasi meron pang mga maliliit na butas dito sa gilid. We have to make sure na hindi talaga lalabas yung nilagay natin na potting media sa loob. Kasi nga kapag umulan, merong chances na mabasa siya, tapos lumabas dito sa mga cuts. We don't want that. As much as possible kasi we want na kung ano yung nilagay namin when we started, yun din yung kukunin namin once puputulin na namin to in the future guys. And of course, I'd love to take you on that day wherein pwede na naming alisin tong naka-wrap na plastic dito to show you kung ano na yung magiging itsura niya and to give you the exact time frame kung gaano katagal nag-work sa amin tong mound layering na to. Super simple lang and pwede nyo din siyang gawin dun sa mga plants na hindi naman talaga nakalagay sa pot, nakatanim lang sa soil, but you want to use this way. So for now guys, ito na yung itsura niya. We are almost done. Naglalagay lang tayo ng mga fibers dito sa pinaka-top niya. Makakatulong din po talaga yung fibers kasi mabilis po siyang kapitan ng mga roots. So once meron ng mga maliliit na roots na lumabas, pwedeng kumapit sa kanila. Apart from the soil na ginamit natin sa loob, marami po tayong ginamit na coconut fiber and meron pa tayong mga coconut husk na maninipis. So guys, we are now done to some few touches before we get right into the montage. So yeah guys, that is it for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. This has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you have the heart for greenery, then you've found a perfect place for you. Bye!